Mr. Chair, Mr. Speaker. Based po sa open source, it's a data gathering equipment, and all information that this equipment can gather has commercial, scientific, and military use. Uh, Considering the the strategic location of the Philippines, all available hydrographic information that can be gathered by any country would be of great advantage to them. Specifically, uh, based on open source, this is gathering salinity, temperature, depth. It can conduct mapping of the subsurface. All of those are important for any countries that has subsurface capability, subsurface warfare capability. So, importante yung mga data po na maano niya, especially sa atin, we are a gateway to the Western Pacific from the South China Sea, and we have a lot of strategic passages from one location to another. So all the information that can be gathered regarding the characteristics of the current, the tide, the hydrography between all those passages between our main islands would be important to anyone who has a need for them.
So most likely ito po ay scientific, hindi po kaya ito pwedeng surveillance or reconnaissance sa drone na pwedeng gamitin. Considering our situation right now, no, meron tayong ongoing dispute, no? Maaring yun nga, nakakabahala kasi pwedeng ito yung maging surveillance or baka mamaya nag-espiya na po sa atin.
Thank you, Mr. Katulad po na nasabi ko, ito po ay si data gathering, and all the data that can be gathered can be considered as intelligence and information that has multi-purpose of use to the military. And as far as the Defense Department is concerned, we are treating it as a national security matter, whether it is unarmed, uncrewed, but like I've said a while ago, we consider this as a violation of our territory, and it's a matter of national security for the Department of National Defense, sir.
Thank you, Yusek Madriaga.